one day. It actually says, what is life? Positive or negative choice? Please, let's welcome Kasim.
Mr. Toastmaster, Madam President, dear fellows, and most welcome guests. As a human being, we are not given right to be born or to die according to our choice. We are not given right to be born or to die according to our choice, our desire, or wish. But we have been given a one choice, which is to live our life according to our desire. Today, we will try to find out what is life. For the preparation of this speech, I asked this question to more than 50 people. What is life? And they answer me something like, life is love. Life is a peace. Some said life is a disaster. Some said life is a sad. Some said life is a boring. A teacher said to me, life is to deliver. A businessman said to me, life is to working on a different project. A newly married couple said to me, life is a trust and relationship. A divorced woman said to me, life is full of problems. These are the answers I got given from the people. Now, if I take all these answers and divide into positive and negative category, then I can easily say the people who gave me positive answers, they definitely having a happy and great life. And on the other hand, the people who gave me negative answers, like life is a sad, life is a boring, things like that, they definitely struggling in their life. Now, there is one theory. According to that theory, life is a journey from B to D. Let me write to you. Life is a journey from B to D. B stands for birth, and D stands for death. B is a birth, D is a death. And now, if we look, our life is a journey. So our journey is basically this space, which is empty. Empty space cannot be our life. We need to fill this gap to find out what is life. So let's write alphabets in a sequence. Can you please tell me which letter is missing? Oh, sorry. Which letter is missing? So, C is here. As I said, our life is a journey from B to D. B is a birth, and D is a death. And C stands for choice. So we got given 50, 60, 70, or maybe 100 years of life to choose. To choose our decisions, to choose our career, to choose our job, to choose our holidays or other aspects of our life. Let's look at in a different way. Life is a journey from B to D. B is a birth, D is a death. As I said in the beginning of my speech, birth and death is not in our control. Not in our control, B, death, not in our control. This is a space which is in our control. Whatever we're going to bring here, that's going to be our life. We're going to bring here career. We're going to bring here to be a teacher. We're going to go somewhere holidays. We're going to be a part of Toastmaster. Whatever we're going to choose, whatever we're going to bring here, that would become our life. Thank you so much.